Hey guys, how are you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make fish roll. Guys, fish roll is one of my favorite snacks in the whole world. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. First, we are going to start by making the fish roll filling. For the fish roll filling, I'm using mackerel. You can use any kind of fish of your choice. I'm going to season the mackerel with some salt and seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to cook for about 5 minutes. Guys, sorry for my voice. I've got a cold. That's why my voice is sounding a bit strange. I'm so sorry about that. After a couple of minutes, the fish is ready, so I just debone it, took out all the bones, and then I'm going to shred it into smaller pieces, as you can see on your screen. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Please subscribe to the channel as you're watching. Thank you so much. After shredding my fish, in the pan I added some olive oil, and then I'm going to be adding some onions, some finely chopped onions. I'm going to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat until it is translucent. Next, I'm going to be adding my blended pepper and scotch bonnet. So I blended paprika pepper and scotch bonnet, just a little bit of scotch bonnet for extra heat. Then I'm going to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat until it is fully cooked. Then I season with some salt and some seasoning cubes. Remember to add just a little bit of seasoning cube. You don't want it too much so that your filling doesn't come out too strong. And then I added my shredded fish. I combined everything together and allowed to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. After a couple of minutes, the filling is ready. Guys, this filling was a hit, so I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool for a bit. Now let's make the dough. For the dough, I'm using flour, baking powder, nutmeg, some salt. I'm going to mix everything together. Guys, I'm going to list the ingredients and measurement in the description box below. Please don't forget to check it out. Then I added some sugar and I mixed everything together. And next I added some butter into the mix. I'm going to mix everything together until it looks like breadcrumbs. And next I'm going to be adding 1 egg. Guys, this is very important. Egg makes the dough a little bit softer, but if you're allergic to egg, you can as well take it off. Now I'm going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to be adding half cup of water. Guys, do not add the water at once. Add it bit by bit so that you can control the consistency of your dough. Next, I'm going to be kneading the dough on my worktop. Remember not to over knead your dough so that it doesn't get too stretchy. Just knead it for a few minutes, a few seconds to be honest, and that's it. Next, it's time for us to assemble our fish roll. So I've divided the dough in half. In a chopping board, I added some flour just to make sure the dough is not sticking to it. And then with the rolling pin, I roll out the dough. Make sure you roll out very thin so that it's not too heavy at the end of the day. Next, I'm going to be adding my filling, and then I'm going to be rolling it and sealing it with egg wash. Guys, just watch the video as it is self-explanatory. cutting my fish roll into desired shape that I want. Next, I glaze it with some egg wash, and then I'm going to bake for 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, guys. The fish roll is ready. This fish roll was delicious, guys. I wish I made more because it was so good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share to your family and friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.